How to download GTA San Andreas. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can download up the GTA San Andreas on our PC or desktop. So if you're also wondering and looking out to download a GTA San Andreas version on your computer, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to play the GTA on your device as well. So for that, one of the most easiest and convenient way that you can follow up in order to download the GTA San Andreas is using up Steam. So if you don't have Steam on your computer, you can just go ahead and download it. And after the download is complete, you can just go ahead and open it up. And once you're logged in, you'll be finding this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to download it, it is super easy. You just need to head over to the search bar, which is right at the top corner. You can find it here, and when you go ahead and look out for this option, you can just go ahead and type in the name of the game. So type in GTA here and you will be finding a bunch of options. You can look for the option that is suitable for you. We're just gonna type in GTA for now and hit that search, and when you hit that search, you will be finding different options. So look for the GTA San Andreas version. This one right here is the one that we are looking for. And when you click on it, you will be taken to another page from where we can purchase it, or we can also directly purchase it from right there as well if we want. So for that, you can just go ahead and get back and then download it. Otherwise, you can go and continue with the process by viewing this page, entering up your birth date and everything, and that is it. So in order to purchase it, you can go to this section, and when you go to this page, you will be finding this section. So right now we also have this offer going on. If there is any kind of offer going on, you can also purchase it right at that moment for a cheaper price and add it to your cart and go on with the payment method, add up your payment method, and just like that, you should be able to download the GTA San Andreas on your computer as well. So follow up the method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.